Implementing the digital workflow and working with AvaDent has really made our workflow so much easier, so much quicker, streamlined, more efficient, fewer appointments. It's just made life so much easier. The learning curve is pretty flat. I mean, if you don't know how to do a denture, doing a digital denture isn't going to automatically give you that knowledge. So you still have to know what you're doing, but if you're already skilled at doing a traditional denture, doing a digital denture is piece of cake. I mean, it really is a quick process, especially with AvaDent and the software that they use. It's very intuitive. Once you get set up in the portal and everything, it's just a breeze. It's a pleasure to do it. It takes dentures away from being a drudgery into a fun dental procedure.